Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you the simplest of all potato curries. It's made with boiled potatoes and it's very handy when you want to put together a quick bhaji. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. 4 boiled potatoes, medium size, some curry leaves, about 4 garlic cloves and 2 chilies crushed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi. Cut the potatoes into medium-sized pieces like these. There is no perfect size, so just cut as you like them, not too big, not too short. Just separate them if they are stuck together. Here we have the cut potatoes. Let's keep them on the side. Heat a kadhai on a medium-high flame and add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and as they start to crackle, add the cumin seeds. Add some hing. Now add the crushed garlics, chilies and the curry leaves. Be careful as you do it since the oil is hot and they can splutter on your hand. Add the turmeric powder and give this tadka a good mix. Fry them for few seconds. Amazing aroma of this tadka will fill the room. Now add the cut potatoes. Salt per your taste. I've added about half a teaspoon. Mix everything well. All the potatoes with this tadka well. If there are any big potato pieces, just with the help of that spoon you can break them. We're going to cover and cook it on a medium flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, let's open and check. The bhaji is ready. Switch off the flame and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Let's serve it hot. This simple potato curry tastes extremely good and goes very well with a roti, chapatti or a puri. Especially in the mornings when you're busy, this is really easy to put together. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.